Welcome to JH. Today, I will guide you through the process of adding your Hotmail email to an iPhone or iPad. By following this brief tutorial, you can perfectly integrate your account into your mobile device, making it much simpler to stay updated while you are out. Let's jump right into this easy procedure. First, navigate to the Outlook sign-in page. Open the web browser on your device and enter the Outlook URL or search for the login page directly. Once the page loads, tap the Sign In button. This will bring you to the main login screen, where you should enter your Hotmail address and password. Ensure you have these credentials ready to go. After logging into your account, you will arrive at the Outlook home screen. From here, find the settings icon, which looks like a small gear and is typically located in the top right corner. Tap this icon to open your account configuration options. Inside the settings menu, choose the account option to view your profile overview. This area allows you to manage your personal information and various email settings. On the account page, look for the section labeled Mobile Devices and click it to continue. This section is vital for linking your email to your iPhone or iPad. You might see a list of currently connected devices here. Below that list, select the option to get the Outlook app. This step is essential for a smooth Hotmail integration if you haven't installed it yet. Downloading the official Outlook app to your device ensures better compatibility and provides more tools for managing your inbox. The app is built to support every feature of your Hotmail account, giving you full control at your fingertips. Once the app is installed, open it and log in using your Hotmail credentials. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant necessary permissions and finish the setup. After you sign in, your emails, contacts, and calendar events will sync automatically with your device. This synchronization keeps your data organized and accessible, boosting your overall productivity. That is the most effective way to link Hotmail with your iPhone or iPad. By following these steps, you now have easy access to your account directly from your mobile device, allowing you to stay connected anywhere. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.